my key. Hold on.
Shut up! Oh my god! Shut the hell up already! Oh my god! Jesus Christ.
Anyways, so my keyboard is dirty, if you can't tell already, by all that yucky dust. Holy moly, that looks even worse than I thought it did. All of this needs to be cleaned. But how does one clean such a dirty keyboard? Well, keys are removable. I don't have a keyboard keys removal tool. However, I have a hand, and it's got 5 digits. So I'm just gonna take a picture of my tablet, so I remember where all the keys are. Boom. Just in case, I'll take another picture of my phone, because the cameras on the tablet aren't really meant to be used. It's just, it has it, doesn't mean you should use it. You know, that kind of scenario. Oh, hold on, let me just... There you go. Oh wow, that looks much better. Also like the fact you can see my entire rig. Probably, you know, I was planning on getting a better monitor. However, the stuttering in my video games is apparent that I'll probably replace the GPU first before I replace the monitor. It'll just be a smoother transition to a new monitor. So we're just gonna remove every single. That went well. Every single key on this keyboard, and I'm gonna try to just not remove it by like just throwing it, maybe having some sort of pattern. So let me just. That's a better idea than just unplugging it, I swear. Yeah, actually, let's just unplug it. There we go. Look. Unplugged. Alright. Now it doesn't matter if you press any keys. You can just... so don't break them. I've always had those up because it's way easier to play games or type in general. I like it having it slightly lifted. Very convenient. Keys. Get over there. Now I understand what the key puller is for, because you can't really get the best grip on the keys unless you want to break your fingers. Yeah, see? Can't really get the best grip. Sometimes you get really good, but sometimes you get that. Now the main problem is going to be these keys. The top ones were easy because they weren't really surrounded by too many other keys. There was quite a bit of space. Don't need to remember where that is from. You can just set it somewhere. It's the most differentiable key on this entire keyboard. It's the biggest. So, same goes for the arrow keys, mostly. You know, it's actually going to be way easier if I just remove it the same way it was on this keyboard. It's going to reduce the amount of headaches I'm going to have after this. Come on. What? It's like screws. But you don't unscrew, you just pull. It's like reverse nails, if you think about it. Or when you remove nails from the wall or from a floorboard, or just wood. Yeah, there's hair in here. I'm just... okay. That's disgusting. Say, are these keys hot swappable? Actually, let me... oh, wait. You know what? I'm curious. Is the Razer Black Widow V3 got replaceable keys? Face doesn't match. Okay, thanks a lot. Thanks, Samsung. Use Google. Are the keys on the Razer Black Widow V3 replaceable?
Here's what I found on the web.
Not keycaps. not the keycaps. I know they're removable. I know the keycaps are removable. Probably should have said switches. Huh. Well, I have not done this personally. This keyboard is like most other mechanical type keyboard. Okay, so it's basically telling me what I do. Are the switches on the Razer Black Widow V3 replaceable?
Sorry, I don't understand.
Google search. There you go. The switches are not removable. Damn. That's a shame, actually. I paid a massive premium for this keyboard, and I can't even replace the switches. To be fair, I don't think they're bad. Like, the switches are definitely good, for my liking at least. But 150 euros, I'd expect removable switches, not just keycaps. Although I do like the metal finish. I will absolutely give them props for that. I might have made a digital synth. It sounds cool. Yeah, good for you, Saul Goodman. Oh, I've never removed this one. Similar to the keyboard. That's so weird. It's like stabilizers. What is this? Is that cum? What are those yellow? What? Or white bits? What the hell? That would not make sense. Who did this to my keyboard? Because it wasn't me. What the hell? La di da di da. Never moved this many keys at once. Or this many types of keys at once. Or any of these goddamn keys. Goddamn. Okay. Okay. It's so dirty. Oh my god. It's disgusting. I don't know, man. I mean, I did use it for like 2 years in a very dirty room. And I've never cleaned it ever since I bought it. So, I guess I'm not surprised. Shouldn't be surprised. Here I am. Oh, even the keys are dirty. Oh god. Oh god. Oh no. Not the keys. Wow, that's just a bad printing job. Great. Thanks, Razer. Thanks. Made me pay a premium and some of the keys aren't even of the highest quality. 3D printed. There's definitely high quality 3D printed though. At least I think it's 3D printed. By the fact of how it looks. Oh, scheisse. Well, at least I'm in a bedroom where it's way easier to find stuff that falls on the ground because there's no goddamn carpet on the ground. There is a bed limiting my movement. Oh, it's so cool. I wonder how it'll look like by the end. It goes off easily, but then it just flies off everywhere. Okay. Oh, well, keyboard's done. Don't need... Well, okay. Keyboard done. Oh, that was a good idea, getting rid of the keyboard early, because now I can just yank them out. As soon as I want to show you the example, it just doesn't want to come out. But while I'm not talking about how it easily comes out, it just does that. Look at that. Oh. God, it's disgusting. Oh my god, there's more hair. Whatever. Body hair. I mean, technically hair is also body hair. It just grows on your head. So, I don't know. Boom. Boom. Just put it back in this order. No picture needed, probably. And I'll test out every single key, hopefully. I mean, the easiest ones should be F, because there aren't just, there's just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12. Oh, that's H, right? Probably. Probably. Thank God I unplugged this keyboard, because I can't imagine what's going on Discord. What's going on Discord? Nothing. Nothing interesting's happening on there. It's like, I mean, like 1 billion servers, dead silence. And it's not even like just random ones made by friends. It's public servers, and nothing's happening. Even friend servers, nothing's happening. It's like a wasteland. Whoa. That. Oh, gee, seriously? That just... Yeah, that's very noticeable. Look at that. It's visibly red now. That's great. Okay, these are a lot tougher to remove now. Watch it just go blink. Okay. Ah, crap, I messed myself over. Like, just pulling that one first. There's a hair here now. Yeah, that was what I was worried about. Can't really blow it. Wait a minute. What the fuck? Wink. And a doink. He's gonna put that over there. Oh, this is gonna be double at least. It's triple. It's a different design than the enter key. It's smaller, so that would probably make sense. You don't really mash it as much, but damn, it's different. Yeah, this one has the... No, this one has the same design as the enter key now. What? What? Seeing this? Look at it. See? Done. Done. Explain. Explain. I don't get this. Ow. Let me just... Here you go. I don't get it. I don't get it. Ugh. Oh my god, just get off! Yeah, this one has the same design as the plus one. And it's a 0. Delete is just normal delete. 1. No! And a 2. Boop. And 4. Oh. Sometimes it feels like I'm gonna break it. Sometimes it feels like it just doesn't want to come off. Probably not put my hoodie on this dirty ass keyboard. He's gonna use my fingers to clean this, because that's a big brain move. Oh fuck. No. Come back here. Bastard. Number 5. Oh, just like 5 from... It's not The Boys. I know it's not The Boys. Don't remember. Okay, let's see. Watch this. Oh. Oh ho ho. That's a completely different. This tablet is also dirty. Just close it up. Put it on top of you. It'll be fine. It's gonna take a while. I don't have any microfiber cloths for some reason. I'll just use my shirt. Yeah, baby, it's all about the Mets. It's all about the Mets. It's so hard getting in there. Yeah, whatever. Do I have a better solution? Oh yeah, haven't I fixed it kid? That's right. We're gonna use my shirt and this to clean this. Because that's definitely the best solution. Other than, I don't know, buying a microfiber cloth. What the? I'm not putting my shirt on that. Never mind. What the hell? Little chunks of something. What are you? Why are you? I gotta roughen it up and then I can just remove it. The smell, right? Yeah. Just roughen it up with this. They'll come out, you know? You just blow on it and it vanishes. Yep. More hair. Another hair. Oh, this one's stuck on here. It's where? In between switch. Oh, for fuck. Can't really see. I can barely see those hairs. So. See you there. What? What? It's still there. What the? It's not working as well as I wanted it to. Oh my god, this is dirty as hell. Probably because it's on the edge of the keyboard. Closest to a human. Also, my classmates are goofy as hell and they keep, well, some of them at least, keep calling others NPCs. My brother in Christ. Everybody's an NPC for you. Because you can't fucking play him, you fuck. I don't know what to tell you. Slowly coming. Wow, this is a lot blacker than I remember. Holy moly. Okay, it's mostly clean. I can't put... Why is there ink? Genius. Works every time. Oh god, now it's scratched. That makes no sense. It's metal and it scratches. But it just rubs away. Which is inconvenient. Explain. Wait, is this rubber? Yep. I'll just use this. Yeah. Oh my god, it's still too big. Oh my. Kind of worked. Ow. Really not enjoying that sound. You get out of there, stupid hair. You get out of there, stupid hair. Please, leave. Now. This thing damaged this with its plastic switches. What? It's not going well. Well, that means it's getting out at least, but damn. Whoa, that is noticeably different. Holy crap. That's black now. Which is a good thing nowadays. Don't cancel me, Twitter. Oh wait, I've noticed. These parts are purposefully lighter, where the keys are. And this, but these aren't, I think. Oh no, they are. It's such a slight difference in tone. You have to be looking at it at an angle. Where the keys are here, it's like noticeably lighter on this spot, but blacker all over where there aren't keys. It's lighter on purpose. What the hell? Cool. Weird, but cool. Probably so it's easier for them to manufacture. You know, giving them a rough idea where the keys are supposed to be. That is a ton bit better. Definitely could be better, but it's definitely better than it before. You see how much better this is? I mean, it's still dirty, but from like here, miles better. Why does this feel weird? What the fuck? Oh no. Oy oy. Yeah, now I have to put it all back. Let's start with the F keys, because I know where they go. Like, I'm confident where they go, because I know how to count to 13. Probably clean the keys before I put them on too. It's a good idea. I'll do it simultaneously as I'm putting on the keys. I clean them. How did I miss this spot and this one and this? This is all just residue from my spit when I yell at my screen, or I'm laughing my ass off. Pretty much. The escape key gets used a lot as like jokes and video calls. It's like, oh, I remove it, boom. And I remove it basically like there's no escape. Oh, there's no escape. You know, like holy shit. Boom. F4. It's mostly clean. Mostly clean. Mostly clean. There you go. Now we got F8. I don't know what to commentate over this stuff. I don't know. There's more hair. That's my hair. Definitely my hair. Not my problem no more. Feed it to the floor. Love the fact I can't push in this desk all the way. Which is both. This is both a curse and a gift. That I can't push in this desk all the way. A gift because that means the wires won't accidentally get stuck and I have to pull the table back or something. But a curse, which means, well, I'm left with less room on my side and the monitor technically looks worse. And I don't like how I can see more of the wall down. Like there's just not an endless surface. It's just like, oh, the wall time. Whoopsie. Well timed. Whoops. You know what I hate that my country did? So they're still trying to get weed legalized, and they canceled stores being open on Saturday or Sunday. Even worse. So you have to wait until Monday or buy stuff early on Saturday. Which sucks because I took too long to make and eat my dinner, and it was already 1940, and by the time I would have gone to the store, it would have been 1945, right? And it's not a time issue. It's more like they're gonna close in 15 minutes. I'm gonna feel like an asshole if I go there and just buy a bunch of stuff and make do stuff. It's like, I don't know, I don't want to be that guy. And he goes into the store like when it's almost they're almost closed. They're closing up already, and it's just, hey, I want to buy some protein. I'm gonna buy some cereal and a bunch of protein. Are you fine with that? Are you angry at that? Are you pissed off that I'm buying a ton of stuff at once when you're about to leave? Huh? Are you angry about that? Should probably clean these better. But yeah, thanks headphones. So what I ate for dinner, which you're probably gonna think I'm a psycho for, but whatever. A banana, tuna, raw tuna straight from the can, and some yellow rice with vegetables that I also didn't heat up. I just ate it. I mean, it was already cooked. It just was cold, but it tasted good anyway, so I don't see a problem. Also, the gym is probably the best thing that's happened to me physically wise. My man is probably the best thing that happened to me mentally wise. This one's dirty. It's always the ones that are like on the edge here. They're the most dirty, you know? They're the most that stand out. Seriously, look at this. Dirty boy. Wait. There we go. Big difference. Probably should have, if I was gonna stay downstairs with this computer, I probably would have bought a keyboard that just eliminates the numpad. It was smaller in size, but I would have missed the volume rocker. Because I love having this. But to be fair, the headphones also have that, but it kind of broke. I don't know when. It's like if I go down, it goes up. If I go up, it goes up. So I have to either go really quickly and hope it'll pick it up and somehow go down and not go up. But yeah, that hasn't had luck whatsoever. Dirty A. Q. Whoops. This B needs a C in her A. Ugh. What? This babe needs a coconut in her arms. Oh, I thought you said Brooklyn Nine-Nine. You should watch it. It's on HBO. It's on Netflix. Probably on HBO. Haven't checked. I know it's on Netflix. The only problem is you don't have all the seasons, which sucks. They do have a decent chunk of them. You definitely have some seasons, so. Piracy moments. Disclaimer: don't piracy. If you're able to watch the movie by paying for it legally, do it. Also, I'm disclaiming all this so I don't get sued or something. If you can buy a movie, just buy it instead of streaming it illegally, aka piracy. But if you have no other way without using a VPN, which also costs money, then sure, pirate it. Same goes for like super old movies. Like, why are you erasing super old movies that are impossible to get nowadays? And people still watch. That makes it even worse. Like, I still watch this. Don't delete it. Oh, fuck. Just. Yeah, this one's super dirty. The S key. So much dust on here, it's weird. There we go. Weirdly dusty. I don't know. Oh, this one's pretty clean though. It's a bit of residue from something. Yeah, that looks weird. Anyways, it was mostly clean. There was just some weird residue on this key. Now it's gone. There we go. Is this overspray? Probably. Hey, but at least because it looks oversprayed, at least it's been holding pretty well. Like, the only thing they've seen that's starting to wear off is that goddamn space key right here. This is gaming. Yeah, I use my mouse with my left hand, so throw that information as you wish. My mom was complaining how I ate tuna. I had this spoon. I ate the tuna out of the can with a spoon. What is a spoon? It is a circular object, egg-like shaped, 2D version, that you use for soups or other similar items that cannot be easily grabbed by a fork, or to assist you in eating spaghetti alongside a fork. Assist you, not replace, but assist you. It's also pretty helpful for liquids, aka soup, or just mixing liquids, tea, soup. You know, soup in it. Oh, where was the tea key? Uh-oh, stop paying attention. Oh wait, no, it's Q or T. Who cares? Still don't need to pay attention. Just in case. Yeah, this is fine. Okay. Wait. Look. F. F to pay respect to my fingers. Pretty much. Probably there. I mean, the good part is if any of these keys aren't what they're supposed to be, I can just... Caught it! Oh, caught it. You know, I can just do that with this. Probably. Yeah, I can. I key was surrounded by other ones. Just so you know. It was the R key. Nice tech tips. Linux tech tips. Tech tips hard R. Medical term. The medical term. Something I somehow am. I don't get it. I don't get it, bro. What? Oh, that's from the computer. I thought there was blue light and somehow the keyboard was on. But no, that's from the light. on my gaming rig. And to be fair, it's not only a gaming rig. It would make a great server and workhorse because of the amount of CPUs it has. 2 Intel Xeon E5 2680s version 4 for only $20. Both. And the motherboard was included. No, not $20, but altogether it was $110. The keyboard, or not the keyboard, but the motherboard was around $80-$90, and the rest was the 2 CPUs, which also came pre-installed, which is pretty convenient. But I removed them anyway so I could put them in myself, because I don't know, I always wanted to do that. When I first did it, I was like, oh god, am I breaking it? Because it made a lot of weird noises. Like, you know, like I was breaking the pins on the motherboard. But no. Apparently it makes that sound normally when I Googled it later. And I was like, huh? Normally? Are you drunk? Yeah, I was shocked. Bewildered. Perplexed. Absolutely mind-blowing to understand. Also, fun fact, my parents are in Croatia right now on vacation, probably. My brother, also, my middle brother at least, is also on vacation with his girlfriend, which is pretty cool. And me and my brother, oldest brother, are just chilling back home. He hasn't got school, I do have school, but it's the weekend, so we can both be lazy, mostly. We just do our own thing. Bump butt heads. You know? And it's also way quieter. No one's arguing. No one's making a fuss out of virtually nothing. It's peaceful, you know? Peace and quiet. And this is also pretty quiet. And I turn it off at night because this is actually very bad for your eyesight. I might replace them one day, but it came with the keyboard, so I mean, oh, this isn't the minus key, this is the enter key. That's why it's so much more refined. What? Why is this such a crappy press? Like, this press is just fine. Oh, it wasn't well on there. That's why it was so crappy. It's a very much a cheaper mechanism. Look. They put it in all the way. Click. What? What happened? Oh wait, did I put it in the wrong way? No. There's very much so the right way to do this. I don't get it. I had to wiggle it around. This sounds way better. Look, listen to this. This one is way, like, it's a more higher pitched sound than this one. This is more, like, this is more feminine, this is more masculine. Never thought I used that analogy for keys, but yet here we are. This is like right in between. Look. I don't know. I'm just pressing buttons at this point. Buttons! Yay, buttons! Okay, let me just. There we go. Weeby bonk. Wait. Bonk. Into the bonk. 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 There you go. This one needs more attention than the rest. I don't know, man. I'm just making weird noises to entertain myself. This is boring. I don't even know I'm filming, but I need to make content. So. Alright. We're basically at the end. Look at how far we've gotten. Just these are left to finish. Come along if you feel like a room without a roof. That means I have no head. Get on the bed and give me head. You know Radiohead? I always wonder, why is there there's just too much radio nowadays and not enough head? It's just, is it real news. Only real news on this channel. It still looks like crap in terms of how clean it is. Somehow I messed up all these keys, cleaning wise. Because they're still super dirty, even though I know I cleaned them. You watched me clean them, yet they're still dirty as balls. But the keyboard itself looks a lot better. Oh my god, how is it already dusty? Again. Are you serious? Bro, it's already, I am cursed. What is it, syphilis? Like, I'm doomed to just immediately remove these keys right after I'm done filming to clean them again. And then make another video about how my keyboard magically became dirty. And it's just infinite cycle. Anyways. Keyboard clean. Keyboard clean. Typing in an awkward position or for long periods may cause repetitive stress or related injuries. Made in China. So that's why I got COVID. When I did. That makes sense. Oh, let me clean the. That's cool. It has 2-step like rubber mat, like these rubber thingies. This one is 6 inches, or sorry, my bad. This one is 6 degrees. I think it goes for this one, right? 6 degrees. Nothing too major, just a slight incline, right? You can barely even notice it. Or if you want to be a big boy, 9 degrees, which actually looks a lot more different. Even though it's like 50% more. Looks like a lot of difference. There we go, now I even clean these bad boys. Look at this. Big difference. Can fit my fucking finger under there. Seriously, I'm not even kidding. Can't go under. Can't confirm. I love noise. Please delete yourself. Bro, this keyboard should kill itself with all this dust in a video game. In a video game. In a video game. Yeah, this is definitely better. It's better. Not by much, considering I spent almost an hour on this. But it's definitely better than before. Oh my god, that's actually so helpful. It's still there, right? I can just push it in. I'm sort of using my phone as a director to see what I'm doing, it's not useful. But it worked. Okay, I don't know if it's fully in. Okay, now it's definitely in. Anyways, give me this. And you're going right where you came from. I fixed it, kid. I put you on my other light that's been running on that 20,000 milliamp hour power bank for at least a day now. We have lost no battery. 20,000 milliamp hours. No battery lost for this light. Which is actually pretty impressive. It's not bright, but it's not dark. It's enough to at least see at night. You know, see at night, not really read something or do something that requires you to walk around a lot, but you can see at least. Which means, like, if you were to wake up in the middle of the night, you can confirm there is no boogeyman on your desk or on the floor. So it helps you to walk around in the middle of the night without having to turn on this big old light and blind you as you're trying to, like, because then you'll be blind, okay? You're either going to be blind as in the darkness or blind as in too much light at once. It's really your choice. I'll just put this back on. And we're going to turn this bad boy on. Yes. And we're going to open, there we go. We're going to open Beliznica, aka Notepad. Test out if I did everything correctly. QWERTY-wise. UIOP. Weird. ASDFGHJKL. Wait. Pretty much, yeah. Wait. We just turn this bad boy off. There we go. Symbol. Oh, that's a backslash. Reverse backslash. ZXC VBN M Fing another Fing Shift. Yeah, it's obviously Shift. Yeah, I doubt the other ones are incorrect. Oh wait, we can check the picture. Come here. Come here. It's me. Piece of crap. I did this face confirmation like days ago. I don't know what's in my gallery. What is this? Yeah, this is a weird meme. This is weird. Let's not look at that again. The other ones are good pictures though. It's just random goofs. Just random goofs. It's protein. Oh yeah, it's creatine. Okay, let's see. QRTZ. Okay, this is more important for me at least. Ins, Del, and PG. Yep. Yeah, it's pretty much the same. Except this one's dirtier. Look at this. Big difference. Worth it? I guess? I don't know. My ass hurts sitting in this chair.